We'll guide you through how to mask an image in Photopea. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because tools like Photopea offer free, browser-based editing similar to Adobe Photoshop, but masking can be confusing for beginners. Get started by opening Photopea in your Google Chrome. If you do not have a computer in Google Chrome, you can also access Photopea via smartphone and other browsers. On your computer device, go to the Windows menu on the taskbar. Type Google Chrome in the search bar, then click to open it. Google Chrome will display something like this. Look at the center of the screen. Click on the search bar and type Photopea. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. On this screen, select the topmost option, photopea.com. When opened, the website will automatically redirect to the Photopea homepage. On this page, click the Open from Computer option. Locate the photo you want to edit. Double-click the photo to open it. Next, there are several ways to mask an image. The first is to use a vector mask located at the bottom of the Layers panel. Tap the Vector Mask feature. Then, use the brush tool to erase the part of the image you want to remove. Use a black brush color to erase and a white one to restore. Also, use a gray color for semi-transparent effects. You can also use the black and white gradient tool like this. Explore other tools to get a variety of masking results. Next, the second method is to use the Object Selection tool. You can use this tool to automatically select an object. If the object you want to mask is a person, use the Select Subject feature above. And that is how to mask an image in Photopea. To refine your selection, zoom in and carefully adjust edges using smaller brush sizes. Make sure to switch between black, white, and gray as needed to achieve smooth transitions. You can undo mistakes using the History panel or keyboard shortcuts. Take your time to review the masked image and ensure all unwanted areas are properly hidden. Save your final work by exporting it in your preferred format. This completes the full masking process from start to finish successfully and clearly for beginners to follow easily without confusion or difficulty overall.